Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to close Punjab National Bank account through online mode or through offline mode. If you want to close your Punjab National Bank account online, you must have internet banking or mobile banking, or if you don't have both of these, you can email to your bank to close your bank account, or you can call to your customer care support. They will ask you some details and you must confirm them. Or if it is not possible to close your Punjab National Bank account online, you can try offline mode also. For that you must visit any nearest branch of Punjab National Bank, and in the very first step is that there should not be any balance in the account. Your account must be zero and you must clear all dues. There should not be any services linked to your account. You must close all dues, all loans repayments, all services should be closed. There should be zero balance in the account. Then you must carry these are the required documents to close your Punjab National Bank account. Carry passbook, checkbook, ATM card, valid ID card, address proof, photos. By seeing your documents, the bank officials will give you an account closure form, or they will request you to write a letter to the branch manager for closing your bank account with a valid reason. After filling or after writing the form, the bank manager will check all the documents and the letter, and he will close your bank account. Your bank account will be closed within 3 to 15 days. Thank you for watching my video friends. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.